All right, we've got a 2008 Trailblazer. They said they were driving down the road and it cut off and it will not restart. So let's see if we can figure this thing out. So this is what happens when you try to start it. You get nothing. Battery's not dead though. All right, so we've completed our scan. For the engine control module, we only have one code and it's only a vent solenoid circuit code. So that shouldn't affect the ability of the vehicle to crank up. So we're going to disregard that for right now. Let's go look at some data. All right, so we've got ignition 1 signal, so that's good. Ignition accessory, that's good. Let's see, crank request signal right here. We try to crank it, that says yes, and the starter relay is being commanded on. So the starter should at least be trying to crank this thing up. Well, since they said they were driving and it cut itself off, I am at least going to make sure the engine's not locked up before we really get any further. And it turns fine, so does not appear to be a mechanical issue with the engine. So I've gone ahead and taken the cover off the starter relay. Let's just set that back in here real quick and jump it. And it should be trying to engage the starter, but it doesn't. So let's test the circuits for it to make sure nothing's missing and go from there. All right, so this relay just has 4 circuits going to it. So we've got battery power on this circuit. See, that's good. We've got ignition feed on this circuit. You see, that's good as well. So the last 2 are output to the starter and control from the PCM. So let's test the output to the starter real quick. All right, so I've got my test light hooked up to the starter solenoid wire. And when we close the contacts of the starter relay, you can see test light lights up. So this thing just needs a starter. Now, obviously a starter is not going to make one cut off while you're driving. So there may be further diagnostics once we get this thing starting. And just to test the actual battery cable going to the starter too, I forgot about that. That's good as well, so it's definitely the starter motor. Well, there you go. Give it a little persuasion on the old solenoid right there. Got it started back up. So I wanted to see if I could get this thing running. Since they said it cut off on its own, I didn't want to just quote a starter. We put it on, get it to run, find out we had another problem. So I'm going to let it sit here and run for a little while and make sure we don't have any other issues before I go quote the starter.